at Malipo Beach. Today morning, I came for stop walking on the water. The weather is very good and very calm water. I just floating on the water, and then motorboats go for fishing. And the Malipo high tide. At the high tide, Malipo is like a big lake. Now the water is lots of water. Already a little bit about 1 meter goes down, and then from the sea and fog and covered on the mountain, and then people walking along the beach in Malipo, and some people are fishing. It's very calm. Birds are chirping from the forest. Seagulls are sitting on the sand. Sun already comes up, but and because of mist and fog and not strong, but the weather is good. Today morning I go back before waters go down, and then I go doing indoor sports, go for sub skate park, and then little bit practice for surfing, having breakfast, and then resting. I should go to the Gunung to get bait for fishing for my brothers. And then today is on Friday. Tomorrow morning maybe rain, a little bit windy.